YouTube channel Lost Born Coder. Here we explore the exciting world of web development and design. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create stunning animated buttons using HTML and CSS. These buttons are not only eye-catching but also add an interactive element to your web projects. In this video, we will be discussing 5 types of animated buttons, and these 5 buttons will show its animation when it is being clicked. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you will find this tutorial valuable. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of web animation. If you find this video helpful and want to see more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment with your thoughts and questions. Your support motivates me to create more tutorials like this. But before we start, remember that all the code we will be using in this tutorial will be available on my Medium blog. You can find the link in the video description below. But again, before we start coding, let's take a quick look at what we will be creating today. In this video, we will design 5 types of animated buttons: click to scale, click to spin, click to fade, click to pop, and click to slide. Each button will have its unique animation when it is being clicked. As you can see, when the scale button is clicked, the button is being scaled. When spin is being clicked, the button is spinned. And see the animation of fade and pop, and this is for slide. So each button have its own unique animation when it is being clicked. So without more wasting time, let's dive into our coding part. So that's all in this video. Here we just learned how to create 5 fantastic animated buttons with HTML and CSS. There is no use of JavaScript. All the animations are linked with click. I mean, when the button will be clicked, then the animation will be seen. Now these buttons can be great addition to your web projects, adding that extra bit of interactivity and style to your project. Now it's your turn to get creative and experiment with different button animations and designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Lost Bong Coder for more web development content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment with your thoughts and questions. Your feedback is highly appreciated. But before we go, remember that you can access all the codes used in this tutorial on my Medium blog. Just check the video description below for the link. So thank you for joining with me today at Lost Bong Coder, and we will see you in next video with some more button animations with HTML and CSS. So that's all in this video. Have a good day. Bye.